Welcome to the Circle Segmented Cutter video series, part 2 of 4. In this video, we're going to look at the next option with the Tebis Circle Segmented tools, or the barrel cutters. And we're going to look at a cone shape. So again, we're going to create a new cutter milling barrel cutter. And this time we're going to select cone shape. So starting at the top again, we're going to look at the nominal diameter and the shank diameter, which again happens to be the same on this example of 20. So we'll input 20. Excuse me. The cut edge length is 18, so we're going to make that and the insert length the same. The overall length is 100, so we're going to leave the programming length again at 50 and put this at 100. And now we can jump down to the barrel cutter parameters. And this one we have a couple more options. So this first one again is a profile radius, which if we look at the cutting edge here, is this guy here. This 500 millimeter is the profile radius. The point radius is 3. And the side radius on a cone shape is the radius that is between the profile radius and the diameter of the cutting edge, the full diameter. So this is, for this example, it's 5 millimeters. We'll put the side radius at 5. And then we have a tip angle. This one happens to be 75 degrees, included angle. Change this to 75. Now you can see the programming length 50 and not 5. There we go. So you can see by selecting the angle here, we can change this type of cone shape. So if we just, as an example, if I jump up to 90 here, this is, again, it's a 90 degree angle, and then we can go down to, I don't know, 45. Oh, too small. 50. 60. Depending on your geometry of the cutting edge, it's going to determine what angles you can get down to. But again, this one was 75, so we'll put 75 here. And then we have the usage area again. So I'm just going to reset this to standard. And again, the usage area is on the profile radius of the cutter. This is cone shape. And the next one we're going to look at will be barrel shape.